we are about to launch our GitHub repo, upload project on GitHub repo. So we have to download GitHub first for our desktop. And here, Windows, download for Windows 64-bit. Then we have to execute the window on the Git application. After it's set up, it will be working on the system environment. So we have to do install, and so it's installing it can take little time. Okay. Okay, so setup has been completed. So like, we can go to in our VS Code and check Git. So if it will be installed or set up successfully, so it will print like this, because these are the commands which will be used. So we are making some simple. Okay, so here I have this node mailer folder, and I have to upload this is our node mailer project which we are going to publish on our GitHub repo. So first we have to init a new repo. So if you don't have a GitHub account, so you can create one. It's easy. Okay, so I am about to create a new repo here. You just have to write a name, node mailer, and it will be public, and just you have to create a repository. So now here is some commands, or create a new repo on command line, or push a existing repo. So we have created a new repo. Okay, and the project we are going to deploy, it's a new and did not deployed anywhere before. So we have to run these commands. Okay, so we are writing here, and just we have to go inside the node mailer project first. So now we are inside the node mailer project, and we are going for, because we don't want to publish our node modules and the package.json file. Okay. Okay, so we are about to write node modules, package log.json. Okay, then we are about to get a status. Okay, so like you can see, we have a two files, package.json and server.js, because we have init the git ignore file, and inside that file we have written node modules and package log.json. So these both modules are not gonna inside our repo. This is not gonna publish, so we have to add this both files with this command, git add. and commit. You can write any message. I am writing a first commit example. Okay, then you have to make a main branch, master branch. Okay, so I am making my master branch is main in that case, and then you have to copy this, and actually you can copy both of this. Yeah, it's good to run this command step by step. Okay, like this. Okay, so now it has been pushed. Yeah, so if we can see history, so our last command is this, and the previous one branch main and commit and git. So the total commands, the total steps we are follow, we we have to make dot git ignore file first, then check with status, then add, then commit, then make main branch a master, then push. You can see these commands on the GitHub also, and you can take a screenshots for any reference. Okay, and if you are thinking what is that project, you can see that previous video. I have already make a video for that one. Like, it's a simple node mailer function which you are going to send the email, so it's that project, and I have used that project for making that GitHub first repo publishment. Okay, and if we go on up GitHub, and if just we reload that, so yeah, we can see that files. Okay, package.json, server.js. It's just 2 minutes ago, and this is the commit, and we can see our commit history. In that commit history, we are going to see what files we have pushed on that commit. So package.json, it just containing a library's name. You can see Express and Node Miller, and here just have our code. So it's a simple presentation how we are going to publish our first branch. Okay, so